Westmoreland.
With just 4 days left in the month, January is running 5 degrees below normal, making it the 41st coldest January on record. And we have some more cold days ahead before we move into February. Here's a look at your 7-day temperature trend. Tomorrow and Saturday will feature highs only in the mid-teens. That's about 10 degrees below normal. After that, we'll warm up for early February, all the way up to 35 degrees on Tuesday, before another shot of cold air moves in once again as we make our way towards next weekend. Well, after highs in the upper 20s to around 30 earlier today, colder weather is now making its way south from Canada. It's 27 degrees in Sheboygan, but it's already down to 12 in Anago and 13 in Pembine. In Green Bay, after a lot of clouds, occasional light snow, and some gusty winds, we're now looking at mostly clear skies and gusty winds. The temperature is 23 degrees, but winds are gusting over 20 miles per hour. Not quite as strong here in downtown Appleton, but it is colder. The temperature is 21. So when you take those temperatures and you throw in the winds, it feels colder out there. Wind chills are currently in the teens just about everywhere, dropping below zero across the far north, and that's what we're all going to be looking at later on this evening into tomorrow morning. Not wind chill criteria, but close. Most of us will be looking at wind chills in the upper teens to lower 20s, which is not quite at that point where a wind chill advisory is issued. We had a cold front move through earlier today. Now we've got high pressure building in from the north and west, and that area of high pressure is going to bring much colder air with it as it makes its way into the Badger State later on tonight and into tomorrow. There you can see that high of 29 degrees in Green Bay, but it was only 12 in Marquette behind the front at that point. Single digits across northern Minnesota, and yes, that colder weather is dropping south. So tomorrow, the normal high is 25 degrees, and we're going to be running about 10 to 12 degrees below that. I think most of us will see high temperatures in the lower to mid-teens, and we'll have mostly sunny skies throughout the day. So your forecast for tonight calls for frigid wind chills developing. Temperatures will be dropping below zero. Most of us probably between about 0 and 5 below by tomorrow morning. But when you factor in northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour, once again, those wind chills will be in the teens to around 20 below. Tomorrow, mostly sunny and much colder. High temperatures will be in the teens across the area, which, as I mentioned earlier, is below normal for late January. My 3-degree guarantee for tomorrow is 14. If I can hit that high within 3 degrees, we will donate $100 to bridge the gap for autism, and we did do that today. I forecast 28. The actual high was 29 degrees. On Saturday, 16 degrees, sunshine giving way to clouds, maybe a snow shower or a flurry as a weak little system moves through. On the other side of that, sun and clouds on Sunday, 25, so warming up. 30 for the final day of January. We'll have a chance for a snow shower, maybe a snow shower or a light wintry mix into Tuesday as we kick off February. And much warmer, 35 degrees. February 2nd is Wednesday. That is also known as Groundhog Day. Jimmy down in Sun Prairie will let us know if we have 6 more weeks of winter or not. But I think we're going to get that answer pretty quickly as we head through Wednesday night, Thursday, and Friday. We are watching the potential for maybe a bigger winter storm somewhere across the central part of the country. Could produce a lot of snow. Where, when, how much are details that we'll get to as we get closer. And then much colder weather coming in behind that. Nina?
Yeah, it just doesn't feel like spring is right around the corner. But now the temperatures are a little bit warmer, at least